Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the piano into a controlled signal chain. Set tempo and key, import or record MIDI/audio, then place the piano on its own track and send to a dedicated bus. Once done, pick the piano sound, Logic's sampler, Alchemy, or a plugin, because choice affects EQ and dynamics. Make sure input levels are clean. Avoid clipping by keeping peaks below 0 dB, and using the bus for group processing so compression and EQ act consistently across takes. You now sculpt tone and control dynamics. Insert an EQ on the piano bus to remove rumble with a high pass, tame mud around 200-500 Hz, and add subtle presence between 2-5K Hz to help cut through. Once that's clear, apply gentle compression, 2 to 3 to 1 ratio, with a medium release to glue transient detail. If you want more weight, parallel compress a duplicated aux and blend. Make sure to send to a dedicated reverb aux to place the piano in space, automating wetness for sections. You finish by balancing the piano against the mix. Set fader level, adjust stereo width with subtle mid-side or a stereo widener, and verify mono compatibility so the part remains solid on any system. Then automate volume, pedal resonance, and reverb tails to support arrangement changes. If things go wrong, troubleshoot phase relationships and CPU, freeze or bounce heavy plugins, increase buffer size, and check plugin latency compensation. Make sure your final checks include different playback systems and a careful reference track comparison.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.